All right, guys, you have reached ReginaTV, and today we will be doing a texturizer on our hair, full texturizer. This is not a touch-up, and I will be showing you from beginning to end what you are going to need. Okay, so don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and tell everybody you know to share this video. Okay, all of this is natural hair. And I have already went around my hair lined with Vaseline. I have already did this. Just want to take the Vaseline and go all the way around. Okay, so you're going to need Vaseline. You're going to need your S Curl regular strength. You're going to need neutralizing shampoo, a few clips, a comb, and a timer. And you're going to need some gloves. All right, guys. Well, the first thing I am going to do is just protect my hairline. It's been 7 months since I have texturized my hair. All of the texturizer that I had on there before has been cut off, has grown out, and I can't wait to do this. Now I know just how long it takes for me to have to need a touch-up or anything. So I know the rules of my hair. So the back of my hair, probably, the back of my hair is where I like to apply my texturizer first. And that is because the back of my hair is the most resistant. And what I mean by that is, for me, my hair in the back looks more nappy. So we will be, basically starting back here. All right, guys, the time is 9:51, and we will be using a regular strength texturizer, okay? Now, disclaimer. Guys, when you use this product, use it at your own discretion, because if something happens to my hair, that's on me. So if something happens to your hair, that's on you. So this is my disclaimer. Guys, I am using this texturizer in the back first because that's where my hair is most resistant. That's where it's most coarse at. But we will be applying this texturizer on our root area all over. Now, you don't have to have clean hair to apply this texturizer. It can be applied to unwashed hair. Okay? So now, we're just going to apply this to the root. And we're going to make sure that we get all of the hair. Okay? Guys, I will be bringing you other videos showing you how to maintain your texturizer and the products that works best for me, and times where you think it's time to touch it up. I went 7 months without having to touch up my hair, so I know that I can go that long. Okay, so we're almost at the end of applying this texturizer to our root area only. Okay, there we go. What time is it? Okay, it's 9:55. It took us 4 minutes to apply it. Now guys, with this right here, I would suggest that you use a wide tooth comb. I couldn't find mine, so I just picked this comb up, and we're just going to comb the texturizer through. Now, the reason why you didn't have to put the texturizer on the ends of your hair, because as you see, when you comb it through, it's going to go to the ends of your hair. Now, right here, I'm just pushing my hair because The teeth on this comb is they just too close together. You want a wide tooth comb because that wide tooth comb will allow those waves to pop in easier. But like I said, I couldn't find mine, so I'm just going to push my hair to assist the texturizer in making the wave pattern. But later on, I'll show you a comb you're going to use, or you should use, to comb through your texturizer. Okay, now it is 9:58 and we are going to do one more check. Comb through this texturizer in our hair, and from what I'm looking at, that's too straight for me. That's why we need a wide tooth comb. So we're going to wash this out. Now guys, when you're washing your hair out or rinsing it out, make sure all the texturizer is out. That's good right there. It's all out. Now this is the comb that you should have been using. Well, I should have been using when I was combing my texturizer through. You see the teeth on that comb? It's wider. So that would have helped the wave pattern show up in your texturizer. So make sure you get a wide tooth comb. Okay, now we're going to neutralize our hair, and this is going to stop the process of the texturizer. Now right here, you're going to see that the shampoo is going to turn pink. If the shampoo is pink, that means that you still have texturizer in your hair. See? It's pink. So now we're just going to keep on washing. We're going to keep on washing to try to get all of that texturizer out of our hair. And for me, I wash my hair twice. So now this is the second shampoo. And as you notice, the shampoo is whiter. See that? It's not pink. And that's when you'll know that all that texturizer is out of your hair. Okay, so by now, guys, I hope you have hit that subscribe key and that like key. Alright guys, so we have shampooed our hair twice and all of the texturizer is out. So now it is time to apply our hair color. Today we are going to use a semi-permanent rinse by Beijing, and this is a natural black. This is not going to damage your hair at all after you have texturized your hair, okay? Now I wouldn't dare put in a box color right after texturizing my hair. That's why I'm using a semi-permanent rinse. Now, if you want to use a box color after you texturize your hair, I will wait a good 2 weeks. So using this rinse will give you the time you need for your hair to get adjusted to the process that you just put it through. Now guys, so my rinse won't run everywhere, I use some toilet tissue and I double it up and I wrap it around the perimeter of my hairline, just so while the rinse is on my hair, it won't run all down my face while I'm waiting for it to penetrate my hair strands. Okay, so it is 10:25 And we're going to leave this on until like 10:44. So now we are going to take the bag off. We're going to take the tissue off. But I got something else that I want to show you guys that I do with my rinse before I rinse it out my hair. Now, this is also up to you if this is something you want to do. I add my conditioner right on top of the rinse. You only get so many washes before rinse fade out. So to cut down on all the washing that you're going to do, then just mix your conditioner in with your rinse. And that way it will penetrate the hair strand and you don't have to come back and wash out your rinse and then put on conditioner and then wash out the conditioner. You can do it in these 2 steps. And we're going to sit under this dryer for 10 minutes. But that is also up to you how long you want to sit under the dryer. So guys, by now I hope you have subscribed and liked this video. Okay, so now we are done from sitting underneath the dryer. And now it is time to rinse our hair. Now when you're rinsing your hair, guys, you want to rinse all of the color out and conditioner out. And you want that water to run clear. Okay? You want to make sure that all of it is out. So right here, you'll see that the water has basically run clear. See that? There we go. There we go. The water is good. See? So now we are just ready to detangle and apply our products now, guys. Now these are the products we will be applying. This is a coconut milk and it's a leave-in conditioner. I love this conditioner. I love it. Guys, you know we are no longer product junkies, right? Now the next thing that I love is this snapback. This snapback is my #1 go-to. And we are going to put that all over our hair and we're going to rub that in all over and make sure that it's rubbed in. Now this next trick I'm showing you here, I rewrap my hair up. I put the plastic bag on my hair because that's going to allow those products to soak in. And I am going to use at the very end the gel. I'm going to use the gel to style my curls and to comb the gel through my curls when styling it. And watch this, guys. Wow, look at that. That is absolutely beautiful. And guys, this is how I texturize my hair from beginning to end. If you have any questions that I did not address in the video, then just leave it in the comments down below. You have reached ReginaTV. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Hit that notification bell down below so you'll know when my next video is coming out. And until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Good luck on texturizing your hair. And I will talk to you later. Mwah!